is the crane?
Cranes hunt animals to eat, and it flies. It lays eggs. Why are they endangered? Because hunting and habitat destruction.
So they're over-hunting them?
Yeah.
What's the name of your animal?
Otters.
Otters. Okay, go ahead.
Otters have a slender body, a long neck, and short legs. They are technically 3 to 5 feet.
Okay, and where do they live?
The animal lives in a river, lake, and streams. And streams and ocean.
Animal?
Blue whale.
Blue whale. Go ahead.
The blue whale is not a meat eater. They live alone or in small groups. It eats krill. A single adult can swallow several tons of krill each day. For many years, blue whales were hunted for their oil and body parts. They were close to extinction in the 1960s when they became protected by law. Today, the blue whale remains as an endangered species.
Leopard.
Go ahead.
How does a leopard behave? Leopards hunt at night. Leopards live, they come down together only to mate. The female leopards birth to only about 2 or 4 cubs.
Why are they endangered?
Leopards are endangered because people are hunting them and using their fur. Also, people are mounting them into leopard space. Moving into leopard space.
They're moving into their space.
Sea turtles.
Okay, go ahead.
Sea turtles eat a wide variety of foods. Letters mostly eat jellyfish. Loggerheads and ridleys eat crustaceans.
Crustaceans, yes.
And other small marine animals. People sometimes capture the eggs or the turtle themselves for food. They also use the shells for jewelry or lots. Decorative items or some sea turtles are captured accidentally and straws thrown into the water.
Parrot. They are smart and very social. Most of the birds of the parrot family are known for their colorful feathers, always claws, and curved beaks. People have been cutting down trees in parrot homes. Also, people try to catch these endangered birds to help sell pets. This is against the law. The spider monkey. How does this animal behave? What special things does it do? The monkeys live in bands numbering up to 35 animals. Spider monkeys eat fruit as well as nuts, seeds, bugs, flowers, leaves, and spider bird eggs. In some areas, the trees the monkeys live in are being cut down by people who want to sell the trees or use the land for farming. Spider monkeys also sometimes catch diseases such as malaria. Last, they are hunted for food by local people. Mice, what's this again? Squirrels, deer, and moose. Because their habitat's being destroyed.
That's why they're endangered?
That's why they're endangered.
It can hide this is the lion habitat. It can hide in the grass and it eats meat. And they have sharp teeth. It's living in a pride because people are killing them.
That's why they're endangered?
Yes. Or travel in search of food. They only eat plants, insects, and grasses. The elephant is endangered because people have been destroying elephant habitats.